Hey guys, it's Jasmine and Baby. Hey! I cracked myself with that up next time. This video, I am going to talk about the Barbie craze. The Nicki Minaj wannabe. Baby. Baby, baby, lady. Not everyone is as cute as Nicki Minaj. Sweetheart. If you are shaped like an Oscar award, turned upside down, you are not a Nicki Minaj lookalike or a Barbie. Excuse me. What is wrong? Whatever happened to being original and having originality? It's okay to be yourself, or do people forget? Ladies, thinking that they are 5-star bitches. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna sit up here and say you 5-star when I don't know you only 2/4. 2/4. 2/4 of a star. Do the fucking math. I'm sick of that. Just like I'm sick of them damn lace fronts. Everybody think they should have a lace front. What is wrong? No. What? What? Let's do a moment of silence for the bad Barbies. What I hate them. Okay, that's enough. Please, ladies. Can y'all just like be regular? It's cool to have your lip gloss be popping, but baby, just because your lip gloss popping and just because you got a long ass quick weave or lace front that start right here, it don't mean you a Barbie. It don't mean you a Nicki Minaj lookalike. Nicki Minaj is Nicki Minaj. You are normal lame ass person. Nicki Minaj, normal lame ass person. You get it? Yeah. Now, there are females who tend to look just, a little close to it. They got the little bangs and everything. But not, you guys, just please move on. I'm going to end the video.